Another short video up here on the 5320 water pump with some other stuff. Like I said, it's a big job. I had to pull the radiator. There was no way to get this water pump off without pulling the radiator. I had to pull the radiator. It's at the radiator shop. It could use a little cleaning, testing. Had some mineral buildup on the inside. Got the thermostat housing pulled, and the housing's corroded real bad on the hose bib. So we got another one of those coming. This is the old water pump. The water pump is a water pump. There's a rebuild kit for these things. They're actually pretty dang hard to rebuild. I've tried to rebuild 3 John Deere water pumps and finally just gave up. I've got the press and everything, but there's some specialized spacers to set the gap on the bearing and seal, and it's a real bear, and it's just not worth fooling with, to tell you the truth. Another hot day down here in northeast Texas. It got up 98 today. It's pretty damn miserable. Pulled this thing apart last Friday, July 5th, and I fooled around and got heat stress pretty bad. Had a gray out and felt terrible the entire weekend. Let me get this thing out of the bag so you can see better. This is the thermostat housing, and you can see the holes and corrosion in it on the inlet tube, but inside of the cavity didn't look all that bad. This is cast zinc, but that is just wore out. Had some type of electrolysis going on, but I don't know what caused it. Housing is $78. Again, there's a lot of things I don't lose sleep over. So anyway, I got the new water pump set. I'm going to head towards the house here in a minute, cool off a little bit. Only parts I'm waiting on is the thermostat housing. I have to get one replacement bolt. I messed up. Alright, I got my belts and everything. Radiator should be done sometime this week. So I believe I got everything. We'll find out. So that's about all for now. All said and done, this will probably be about a 9-hour job altogether. I'll have to modify that shroud over there by the wheel. As designed, this thing does not come off the back of the radiator. You've got to push it in to form the hell out of it. It's fiber reinforced plastic, or FRP. And I'm going to modify that, cut some slots in the flange on it to go over the tabs on the radiator that has to get through to mount up to the radiator correctly. It needs a shroud. It's just all there is to it, or it doesn't cool properly. Anyway, that's about all for today. I'm getting pretty damn tired now, and it's hot. So I'll post some more videos as I get something interesting. Thank you.